Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to download and install Call of Duty mobile application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now go ahead and open your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search box, search for Call of Duty and from the search results displayed on the next page, look for this application. Call of Duty Mobile is a free-to-play first-person shooter game designed specifically for mobile devices. Tap on the download button or the install button to start downloading the application for your mobile devices. Now wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. After it is done, you will then be able to open Call of Duty mobile game and play it right from your mobile devices. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.